Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download crowdfunding property details with RealtyShares detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type RealtyShares and hit enter. Once the RealtyShares homepage loads, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to access your account. Enter your credentials in the provided fields. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one by selecting the Sign Up option. Once logged in, navigate to the Investment Opportunities section on the homepage. Browse through the available crowdfunding properties listed on the site. When you find a property of interest, click on its title to access the detailed information page. On the Property Details page, review the investment summary, financial highlights, and property specifics. If you decide you want to download this information, look for the Download button. Typically, this button is located somewhere on the right side of the page. Click on the Download button. A pop-up may appear asking about the format you wish to download the details in. Choose your desired format, such as PDF or Excel, and confirm your selection. The download should begin automatically after your selection. Once the file is downloaded, navigate to your device's Downloads folder. Open the downloaded file to access the property details at your convenience. Review the contents thoroughly before making any investment decisions. Make sure to save the file in a location that's easy for you to access later. You have now successfully downloaded the crowdfunding property details with RealtyShares. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.